So, I'm in the middle of the game, thought I could record it, because, you know, it's always fun like that. Get ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Twain.
Service with a smile. Unauthorized
Sounds like a
service
skill issue to
detected.
me, man.
Power down.
Move to the next location.
That's why I like to call the 1980s style execution. Why did I say 1980s? Oh! Oh, I missed some that one.
Can we
Still
talk
up?
about this?
Time for school!
Daisy.
Can't escape.
He can't escape. I missed. I'm floor man.
Ow, ow, low power.
Those were bullets.
Low screen.
Giving back.
Fight! Not again. Is this the end of me?
One more.
It's got me. To Dorado. Me too.
Okay.
Was just getting.
Move to the objective. Look out, Agent. Incoming. Agent 34. That fast robot has a tether which will prevent you from teleporting.
Oh, he asked for it. He wouldn't die. Knocking over traffic cones, that's against the law.
Is this the end of
Going
me?
to pieces.
Oh, so you want to come to me, huh?
No good. Promotion.
Oh, drop a gun. Lasso out. And life is ended.
You. Get off of me.
Hey, you.
It's Daisy.
Oh yeah.
My head.
That's mine now.
Agent.
And I can count on. I had that song in my head. I've had that song in my head for a while. Come to Papa! Come to
I
Papa!
get robot heaven. I see it.
A recaller among recallers.
You're making me sore.
Why you standing your idle pose like that? Damn.
Please remove all rogue, Robo-ready products from this area. While you were busy recalling, we had an uptick of rogue robots in this hotspot. We'll need you to recall as many as you can, quickly.
Three, 2, 1, go!
We've had an uptick.
It's got me.
Uptick! Oh! Missed.
Go. To Dorado. Nick.
Making friends.
Go. Can we talk about this?
Yo, get out of my
Getting
business.
Out, Agent. Incoming.
Oh! Ah! How did I miss that? Okay, maybe. How do I kill that guy again? I honestly don't remember. Oh no. Oh, this is. It's been a while. Oh yeah, shoot the back.
90 seconds left.
Robot heaven. I see.
I've only killed 4. Okay, that's a lie.
Awkward.
How are you still alive?
Unfortunate.
I can equip this guy?
Say, you're strong.
Oh! What the hell? I can just equip this guy? That feels like a friggin'
seconds
lawsuit and
remaining.
a half. Come here! Come here! Now kiss! Get the hell! Retrieval services. Ah! He's in the 4th dimension now, you see.
Blue screen.
Agent 34, please continue moving. Agent, 30 seconds left.
I made a mistake. I just wanted to have some.
Explosive
I'm
recall.
so not getting that. 15, 25. 15 out of. Unless I actually pull some amazing gamer moment right now, I am dead.
Face, meet fist.
Hey, face, meet fist. I love Jerry. I don't know his name. His name's Jerry now.
Beth smile.
Oh, he's dead.
5, 4,
I'm sorry. I can do better.
3,
I promise I can do better.
2,
Please don't end me. I don't want to be recalled.
Cannot slow power.
See,
to
see.
recall enough rogue robots.
This is my first
Move
game
to
in
the
a while.
rooftop, Agent 34.
Wait, 1 second, Mom. I'm shooting hoops. Dude, first try! Oh, that's insane. I'm crazy. I'm evil. That's what I am.
Get a room, you two.
Oh, he glitched it.
Power down.
That's the
Move
end.
to the next location. Our enemy's plans may become evident if we can analyze enough functioning robots. Please collect as many as possible.
Oh yeah, this mission. Alright, I can do that.
3, 2, 1,
You
go.
know how I'm gonna do that?
Not again.
What collected items
Just
in this
sitting here.
Please release customer service agent. Manage
Vibing,
customer
you know?
request.
Hey man,
Noted.
how's it going? Can I have that? I didn't even want it. Whoa, man. Wait till the third day. I don't even get how that joke's supposed to work. Oh!
We cannot serve your needs this way.
Can we talk about this?
No.
90 seconds
Here.
left.
Why did they end?
Ah! You may think I won't get this,
Please
surely,
keep your temper.
but 90 seconds in Robo
Authorized
weekly
service
time
detected.
is like 16 hours, so... Did I just trip this man up? What the hell?
Just getting started.
Oh. Oh. I'm scared!
Take it easy there.
I don't need much more. All I need is for them to keep on coming. Go on.
Please release customer service agent.
60 seconds remaining.
We're good. We've met the quota.
Let go. It's got me. Not again.
I don't know what was happening there, but I need to stop it.
Customer request. Noted.
Agent 34.
Oh. What you gonna do about it?
Please keep your temper.
No! Really?
Talk about this.
No, we didn't.
Agent, 30 seconds left.
Okay. What you expect me to do about that? Oh, hello there.
You're making me sore.
I'm tired. What is ah? Don't scare me like that. Bad.
The screen.
Only 10 more seconds.
Please keep your temper.
5, 4, 3,
What you gonna do about it? You.
1.
Oh! Oh! I just limboed accidentally.
Quit.
Agent 34, you did not achieve all the objectives.
Ah.
Please file a report back at the office.
I'm bad at that. Dude. Hub.
Robo
We
Ready
load.
welcomes you back to your office because we care.
Okay. That's that for Robo Recall. I might do another video. But for now, thank you and goodbye.